Hi, I'm Jill and welcome to my home. So right now we are in our living room, and as you can see, this room is very simple and the decor is very minimal because I have a day job, and also this way it is very easy for me to maintain it. And as you can see, I have added a lot of plants here because I really love them a lot. Have added a lot of items from my hometown, that is Assam. You can see these cane items that are from there, and also this plant stand is one of my favorite because it is gifted by my father. I just love to keep it this way. And I have also used a lot of neutral colors because that way it gives me a very relaxing and very peaceful vibe at my home. So this is the bedroom, and I wanted this bedroom to be this way, very clutter free and very normal, because once I enter this room it really gives me a very peaceful vibe, and I just want to relax here. About this room, the favorite area is this corner which I have created here. So this corner was earlier a balcony which I have converted into a sitting space, and most of the time you will just find me here because be it my morning tea or my work, like my office work, everything I do here. And to make it very cozier, I have added a lot of cushions here. Then carpet is always there. So the bedroom leads to the favorite corner of the home. So this is the place which is loved by all my friends and family, and I have put in a lot of time and energy and money to create this place for myself. It has lot of plants, all my favorite plants are there, and this is the place where I have hosted and I have created a lot of memories with my family and friends. So this is the guest bedroom, and I have a lot of friends and family who keep visiting me very often. So I wanted to create a room which is very welcoming, which is very comfortable and very cozy for my guests, and they feel at home at this corner of the home. And you can see that I have used a lot of colors here, like the watercolor paintings are there, the home quotations are there. I have added few plants also because I feel all these things bring the room together and it gives a very good and very calming vibe to my guest. Thank you for watching the whole video. Don't forget to subscribe Homely by LBB.